In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows cannot connect to the printer operation field with the error code 0x00011b, or known as the share printer error. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type REGEDIT. Now click on Register Editor under the best match. So here you just need to simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So locate HK local machine and then click on this drop down arrow to expand the list. Now locate system folder, click on that and click on the drop down arrow to expand the list. Now look for the current control set folder, click on that and click on the arrow to expand the list. You'll find control folder, click on that and click on this drop down arrow or click on the arrow to expand the list. Then here we need to look for print. Okay, so we need to scroll down. And here it is, print. Click on that. Then on the right pane, you have to make a right click. Again, it's right click and then select new. Select the word 32-bit value. And here you just need to simply follow me for the name that we need to put in the new value. So it's capital letter R, small PC, RPC, capital letter A, small UTHN, capital letter L, small EVEL, capital letter P, small RIVACY, and capital letter E, small NABLED, RPCAUTH, and level privacy enabled with no spaces in between, just one word, and then click on the open space. Now, in my case, I have already created this new value, so the same thing I've already shown you on how you can rename the value or put the name on the new value that you have created. So this is mine. Now, once you have done that, naming it or labeling it to RPCAUTH and level privacy enabled, double click on it. Now change the value data to 0. Again, change the value data to 0 and click on OK. And then close this. And then you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Then click on services under the best match. Now here we need to simply scroll down to the P section and look for the print spooler services or service. Then you have to make a right click, select properties. Now click on stop. Then click on the startup type, click on this drop down and choose automatic and click on start. Click on apply, click on OK, and then close this. And then restart your Windows. So make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.